To change the fire alarm from manual to automatic reset, you will have to press the up and down keys for more than 5 seconds. And you will be able to access these debug screens. So you will have to navigate with the down key until you access the screen that would say fire alarm, set fire alarm from manual reset to automatic. So as you will notice, the cursor is blinking on the top left. By pressing enter, you will highlight the field that needs changing, and you can change this to auto reset. You will need to press the enter key in order to confirm the field. You will see that a message has appeared that will say scroll down to the next page to confirm an auto reset. So we have a double confirmation, as in order to activate it, you will need to accept this disclaimer. So again, you will have to press the enter key. Are you sure you want to auto reset? You press enter, you press the up key to change that to yes, enter to confirm, and you are done. Just press the escape button once in order to return to the home screen. And your fire alarm is now automatic reset. Bear in mind that when the fire alarm resets, the unit will resume its operation, starting from a full startup sequence. However, the alarm bell will still show an alarm to indicate that a critical alarm has occurred, and will require an acknowledgement just by pressing the alarm key once.